Hi, my name's Linsdau. I'm a polar explorer and professional adventurer. Today I'm going to show you how to start a fire with these little cotton facial cleanser cloths. These things are actually quite flammable. You just need to do a little something to it, and I'll show you how I can use them as a fire starter. These little cotton facial cleansing cloths, you know, where you put the Clearasil or cleaner and clean your nose and whatever. These are actually very great fire starters in a pinch. I mean, it's very good to carry them because you never know, you might be struggling with some wet tinder or something, and these dry little pieces of cotton will get it done. So what I'm going to do is show you in a little pan. I'm going to use a flint and steel to get it started and show you just how well these work. In order to get these little cotton deals to work, you don't want to just directly try and light them because it'll be a little bit hard. But if you take this, and they have to be pure cotton, the key is you got to fuzz them out a lot. And the more you can fuzz them out and kind of shred them up, the more likely they are to catch fire. The longer you spend fuzzing them out and still keeping them together, that's the difficult part about this activity, is taking these and getting them to where they're fuzzed out, because you want it to burn easily, but you don't want it to burn too fast, and you don't want it to burn too slow. And it requires some experimentation. If you think your life is going to depend on this, well, you definitely want to try this at home before going out in the woods, because you don't want to find the circumstance where you're going to die and you haven't even tried something out. So that's why we do these things on YouTube and show you there. So now that I've fuzzed that out, all I need to do is take my flint and steel striker here. Let's see if I can get a little spark going. Let's see. That's all you need. And so what I do is I put the flint right into the cotton. And instead of single striking, I just go, woo! Flame on, baby. And there you go. That's a long enough fire. And it's still kind of going. Whoa! Hey! There you go. Easy. So just like that, you get over 10 seconds of flame per little cotton wipe thing. So in an emergency situation, you just need something to strike. You can even have an old dead lighter if you can get a spark and you get just a tiny bit of that tuft on there and you get that lit. Bow, you are saved and you've got a fire. And that's how you light a fire, with these facial little cleaning swabs. My name's Linsdau. I'm a polar explorer and professional adventurer. Please like and comment on my video. And if you found it useful, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and stay safe out there.